Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to set up the coming soon page in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac and make sure you have opened myshopify.com and has already logged in as well to the internet application. Once you are here, you're going to the search bar. Once you are in the search bar, you are going to look for Pagefly. Just type in the words and hit enter. Once you're here, you'll now be redirected to Pagefly over at apps.pagefly.io. And then you'll need to go to publishing and look for pages and then go to password pages. Once you are in here, click on the button that says create from a template. Once you're here, just choose any of the templates available from pagefly.io. Choose anything that likes your style. And then in here, click on select template. Now wait for the website to finish loading once again as it is loading our new selected template. Over here, it says we are coming soon. And then there should be a countdown. Now the next thing to do is to tweak the page as to how much you like it or how you really want it to fit with your marketing and branding. In here, just keep dragging things until you see and deem them fit for your very own web page. Once you are satisfied, on the upper right, click on the save button. Don't forget to give it a page title so that it would be a lot easier to locate and remember. This could be anything depending on your style or your own preference. Once you are done, this time click on save the page button once again. It's colored blue or purple so it's not hard to miss. And then click on got it. Once you are here, wait for the website to finish loading once again. In here, publish. Just tap on it. And then there will be an option that says enable. Now tap on enable. Click on publish once again. And then click on publish once more. But on this different button over here. In here, it's a free perishable slot, but you can also upgrade to My Shopify Plus so that you could get more. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.